Shadim Shari. Well, actually, yesterday would have been Fiery Inferno. Ah, like I said before, I enjoy the pain day. You have to have the pain day to have the good day. I'm sure I repeat that enough time for the followers of my channel. Can't be good all the time. Okay, first up, URA. One of the things that I bought a lot yesterday. Um, I started to look at URA about a month ago, and I did put spread or naked put for the most part for the last couple of weeks until yesterday. Okay, I drew in these two red line of 20% plus return the previous two trip. Okay, in less than 3 months, it achieved 20% plus, and it is back at the key support area. Now, I do have a tight stop low of day yesterday. Okay, so yes, I bought big, but at the same time, 26.41, I am out. I might return below 25 at the next level of support, but there's a tight stop. Okay, there is not a delusional buy and hold here. Okay, would I add if it stabilized? Yes, but the tight stop will stay at the low of yesterday at 26.41. My average entry yesterday was just above 27. It's like 27.08, I believe, is my average buy. The lowest I bought was 27.95, and the highest I bought was 27.15, something like that. But regardless, okay, this is why I got in, because depending on how the market is, if history repeat, there could be a 20% return between now and October, right? So that's URA. I mentioned this the past couple days that when it comes down to earnings season, I prefer to buy stock that already have earning report. Then the risk is less. Okay, not to say there's no risk. I'm not saying that. Okay, there's still overall market forces or sympathy decline if other peer get beat up as well as the sector. So yeah, you got to be careful. But still, I like Taiwan semi, right? Earning is behind it. Came right down to the 61.8 FIB and bounce. Yeah, I sold 3 put spread. I did not add any share because I'm keenly aware that I had put spread at 157.5, 152.5, and then one below it. Yeah, that's the crazy action yesterday. Yeah, that's how crazy it was. Now, can this still happen? Can this thing drop below 157.5 today? It's off right now. Most things are up in pre-market, but be careful. It's Friday. It's Friday, right? Early pop can turn into deep red by 4 p.m. It's Friday. The option player is going to drive the market, yank the market in both directions, just like yesterday. Okay, so be careful. But as far as TSM, would I add if everything expire worthless? I might sell another put spread before the end of today for next week, and I would do something like a 150, 145. Okay, using the 61.8 FIB is my last line of defense. But if you squeamish, use the gap fill here. Okay, for sure that would be a good spot. So for me, um, depend on the premium. Instead of doing like a 150, 145, if the 145, 140 have enough juice, I might do that one instead, because getting assigned 100 share down here near the gap fill is fine with me. Okay, I don't mind that at all. This is a key area here between 140 and 145. That's the consolidate area. So yeah, not a bad. And of course, the 200 MA, that's a no-brainer. Okay, the 200 MA is also lining up with another consolidated period right here. So yeah, I like TSM. If you don't know, TSM is in the top 2 or 3 of the SMH ETF. I don't trade the SMH that often. I just trade NVIDIA is of course number one as far as the cap weight is a cap weighted ETF. So the top 5 component of the SMH ETF account for a big chunk of the SMH. So by virtual owning of NVIDIA and TSM, I got more than enough exposure to semi. Okay, Palantir came down to a level where I think if you want to play 24 naked puts for next week, I like that. Okay, I like Palantir long term. I'm glad I trimmed 10% of position up there. I thought about putting a stop at the 20 MA, but I said nah, and that's okay. Okay, it's now would I put a stop in? Depend on how things are today. I might put a stop in for half of my position at 26.25. Okay, so I might do that and then sell a naked put at 25. I don't mind getting stop out on half my position at 26.25 and then get assigned below 25. Hey, 5%. Does anyone want to throw away 5%? Last for today is CMG. Earning is out. It came down to the 61.8 fib. Basically hell. I like it. Okay. Would I add to this if it stabilized? The answer is yes. I like CMG going forward. There's a cult following. I don't mind owning cult stock at key support. So yes, CMG. I would add. I'm not overly concerned about the 200. It's below the 200-day moving whatever. Like I said, you can't just look at moving average as the sole reason to buy or sell something. There's other factors to play in. Sure, the bullish trend is over. Hey, this thing crashed from 69. This is post-split, okay? But it has come down a lot, okay? A lot. So for me, it's worth buying here. That's it for today. Good luck. It's Friday. Big, fairly decent econ data coming out, so watch out. That will be the driver. But for now, pre-market, TOT is up. Everything is up. Everything is flashing green pre-market. You might want to trim on the pop at the open if you can, okay? Because I don't think the pop is gonna hold. Just my 2 cents.